Hi guys, Brandon here from 𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐒𝒄𝒆 Marine. Today behind me we have the Sea Ray Sundancer 265. On this masterpiece behind me we have installed again an AC unit as well as a generator to help you through the summer days. Let's jump on board so I can show you what I'm talking about. Here located in the engine bay we have manipulated the space to the maximum capacity. On the starboard side we have mounted the AC unit, and in the center of the boat we have mounted the generator unit. To get final results and to enhance the maximum performance, a lot of engineering and hours went in to calculate the balance and the location for each unit, as well as locating additional diesel tank for the generator. Inside the mini sleeper we have located the inlet grill to supply the AC unit with sufficient airflow to keep it cool. On the right hand side of it you can see the outlet which cools the entire cabin down. Here on the left of the galley you can see the control panels for the AC and generator unit. Don't let the summer get the better of you. Contact us at 𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐒𝒄𝒆 Marine to install any AC units or generators on your boats.